Imagine a world where victory is achieved not just through brute force but through careful planning, cunning strategy, and deep understanding of your opponent. In this world, every move is calculated, every decision weighed with precision, and every action taken with a clear purpose in mind. This is the world of the art of war, a masterpiece of military strategy penned over 2,500 years ago by the brilliant Chinese general and philosopher Sun Tzu. His work has stood the test of time, offering insights that are as relevant today as they were in ancient China. This ancient text transcends the battlefield, offering timeless wisdom applicable to business negotiations, personal relationships, and even the challenges of everyday life. Whether you are navigating the complexities of a corporate merger, resolving a personal conflict, or simply trying to make the best decisions for your future, the principles laid out by Sun Tzu can guide you. The art of war teaches us that success is not just about strength or aggression, but about understanding, patience, and strategic thinking. Sun Tzu, a figure shrouded in mystery, is believed to have lived during the second half of China's Zhou dynasty. Despite the lack of detailed historical records, his legacy has endured, and his teachings continue to inspire and instruct. His teachings, passed down through generations, have influenced military leaders, CEOs, and thinkers for centuries. From the battlefields of ancient China to the boardrooms of modern corporations, the strategies outlined in the art of war have been applied to achieve success and overcome obstacles. The art of war is not merely a guide to winning battles, it's a blueprint for achieving success in any competitive arena. It emphasizes the importance of preparation, the value of flexibility, and the power of knowledge. It emphasizes the importance of strategic thinking, meticulous planning, and understanding the psychology of both allies and adversaries. By knowing yourself and your enemy, you can navigate the complexities of any situation and emerge victorious. Sun Tzu teaches us that the mind is the most powerful weapon, and that true victory comes from outthinking your opponent rather than outmuscling them. In the chapters that follow, we will delve into the heart of Sun Tzu's teachings, exploring the fundamental principles that have made the art of war a timeless classic. We will examine the key concepts that have resonated through the ages, from the importance of adaptability to the value of deception. Get ready to discover the secrets of outmaneuvering your opponents, achieving your goals, and emerging victorious from any challenge life throws your way. Whether you are a leader seeking to inspire your team, an entrepreneur looking to outsmart your competition, or an individual striving for personal growth, the wisdom of Sun Tzu can provide the guidance you need. The Art of War is more than just a book. It is a philosophy, a way of thinking that can transform the way you approach every aspect of your life. So join us as we embark on this journey through the timeless wisdom of Sun Tzu and discover how you can apply these ancient strategies to achieve success in the modern world. To truly grasp the depth of Sun Tzu's wisdom, let's explore some real-world examples. Consider the story of Steve Jobs, who often spoke about the importance of strategic thinking and understanding the competition. His approach to business was deeply influenced by the principles of the art of war, leading Apple to become one of the most successful companies in the world. Another example is the military strategies employed during World War II. Generals like Dwight D. Eisenhower and George S. Patton studied Sun Tzu's teachings to outmaneuver their adversaries, leading to pivotal victories that shaped the course of history. In the realm of sports, coaches and athletes have also drawn inspiration from the art of war. Legendary basketball coach Phil Jackson used Sun Tzu's principles to build championship-winning teams, emphasizing the importance of teamwork, adaptability, and mental fortitude. These examples illustrate that Sun Tzu's wisdom is not confined to ancient battlefields, but is a powerful tool for achieving success in various fields. By applying his strategies, you can navigate the complexities of modern life with confidence and clarity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights and timeless strategies. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching. The art of war begins by emphasizing the critical importance of laying plans, of meticulous strategizing before any action is taken. Sun Tzu, the ancient Chinese military strategist, believed that the foundation of any successful campaign lies in the thoroughness of its planning. Sun Tzu argues that victory is often secured before the battle even begins, through the careful and deliberate process of planning. He posited that the outcome of a conflict is largely determined by the groundwork laid beforehand. This involves a comprehensive analysis of all factors at play, including the strengths and weaknesses of both one's own forces and those of the enemy. Calculated risk assessment is crucial, as it allows commanders to weigh potential gains against possible losses. Additionally, a deep understanding of the terrain and the enemy's strategies can provide a significant advantage. This emphasis on planning underscores the value of foresight, preparation, and the ability to anticipate your opponent's moves. By mastering these elements, a commander can create conditions that are favorable for victory, even before the first arrow is shot or the first sword is drawn. The meticulous nature of this approach highlights the importance of patience and precision in the art of war. Sun Tzu stresses the importance of choosing your battles wisely. He argues that true mastery lies not just in winning battles, but in avoiding unnecessary conflicts altogether. This involves carefully assessing the potential risks and rewards of any engagement, and recognizing that sometimes the most strategic move is to retreat, regroup, and live to fight another day. Sun Tzu emphasizes that understanding the terrain, the enemy's strength, and your own capabilities is crucial. By knowing when to engage and when to withdraw, a leader can conserve resources and maintain the morale of their troops. Ultimately, the art of war is not just about fighting, but about making strategic decisions that lead to long-term success. The importance of preparation. Preparation is paramount in Sun Tzu's philosophy. He stresses the need to know your own strengths and weaknesses as intimately as you know your enemies. This involves meticulous intelligence gathering, thorough logistical planning, and ensuring your troops are well-trained, well-equipped, and highly motivated. By minimizing unknowns and maximizing your preparedness, you tilt the scales of victory in your favor. Section 3. Waging War. The Art of Swift and Decisive Action. While planning is crucial, Sun Tzu also emphasizes the importance of swift and decisive action. He believed that prolonged conflicts drain resources, erode morale, and create opportunities for unforeseen circumstances to derail even the most well-laid plans. Once a decision to engage is made, it should be executed with speed and unwavering resolve. Minimizing losses, maximizing gains. Sun Tzu advocates for achieving victory at the lowest possible cost. This means minimizing casualties, conserving resources, and avoiding unnecessary risks. He stresses the importance of achieving a decisive victory quickly, thereby limiting your own exposure and maximizing the impact of your actions. Exploiting weaknesses, capitalizing on strengths. A key tenet of Sun Tzu's philosophy is the importance of exploiting your enemy's weaknesses while maximizing your own strengths. This ancient wisdom has been applied not only in military contexts but also in business, sports, and personal development. Sun Tzu emphasized that understanding both your own capabilities and the vulnerabilities of your opponent is crucial for success. This involves identifying vulnerabilities in their defenses, morale, or leadership, and capitalizing on those weaknesses with focused attacks. For instance, in historical battles, generals would often seek to demoralize the enemy troops by targeting their supply lines or capturing key leaders. By doing so, they could weaken the enemy's resolve and create opportunities for a decisive strike. Simultaneously, it means leveraging your own advantages, whether they be superior numbers, superior technology, or superior strategy, to gain a decisive edge. In many historical contexts, armies with advanced weaponry or innovative tactics were able to overcome larger or more entrenched forces. The ability to adapt and use one's strengths effectively often determined the outcome of conflicts. Superior strategy in particular has been a game-changer in numerous historical battles. The ability to outthink and outmaneuver the opponent often led to victories against seemingly insurmountable odds. Whether through clever deception, unexpected maneuvers, or strategic alliances, the best leaders have always found ways to turn their strengths into decisive advantages. This timeless principle continues to be relevant in various fields today, reminding us of the enduring power of strategic thinking. In this chapter, we will delve into the advanced strategies and tactics that can be employed in modern warfare, drawing parallels to Sun Tzu's timeless wisdom. We will explore real-world examples and case studies to illustrate these principles in action. One of the most striking modern applications of Sun Tzu's strategies can be seen in the realm of cyber warfare. Just as Sun Tzu advocated for attacking the enemy's weaknesses, modern cyber strategists focus on exploiting vulnerabilities in digital infrastructures. For instance, the infamous Stuxnet virus, which targeted Iran's nuclear facilities, demonstrated a sophisticated use of cyber tactics to achieve strategic objectives without traditional combat. Another example can be found in the use of psychological operations, or PSYOPs, which aim to demoralize and disorient opponents through misinformation and propaganda. This echoes Sun Tzu's emphasis on undermining enemy morale. During the Gulf War, coalition forces used leaflet drops and radio broadcasts to sow confusion and fear among Iraqi troops, leading to mass surrenders without significant bloodshed. In the realm of special operations, modern military forces employ tactics that mirror Sun Tzu's principles of swift and decisive action. Elite units such as Navy SEALs or Delta Force are trained to strike quickly and effectively, often behind enemy lines to achieve high-impact objectives. These operations require meticulous planning and preparation, underscoring the importance of readiness and adaptability that Sun Tzu championed. Finally, we see Sun Tzu's influence in the strategic use of alliances. Just as he advised forming alliances to strengthen one's position, modern military coalitions are formed to leverage the combined strengths of multiple nations. NATO's collective defense strategy is a prime example of this principle in action, where the alliance of multiple countries deters potential aggressors and enhances collective security. By examining these contemporary examples, we can see that Sun Tzu's wisdom is not confined to the annals of history, but continues to shape modern strategic thought. Whether in the digital realm, psychological warfare, special operations, or international alliances, the principles of exploiting weaknesses and capitalizing on strengths remain as relevant as ever. As we continue to navigate an increasingly complex world, Sun Tzu's insights provide a timeless guide for achieving strategic success in any arena. The art of war, it seems, is truly an enduring discipline. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, stay strategic.